children, how are you all? Hope everyone is good. Children, we have completed 2 lessons, right? So shall we go to our next lesson? Okay, let us go to our next lesson. Do you know what is our next lesson name? That is our senses. Okay, so children, tell me one thing. So let me know, do you know the sense organs? So how many are there? There are 5 sense organs which are, tell me, eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs. We will call them as sense organs. They are 5, right? So, sense organs. So, how many are there? There are 5. Right? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are the 5 sense organs which we have. So, tell me, what is sense organ actually? Sense organ is the organ which is window to the exposure of outside world, through which we will come to know our outside world, what is happening around us. With that organ, we will come to know what is happening around us. That is a window, like window to our body. Okay children, that is a sense organ here. So how does the sense organ will help us? Here the eyes. How does this eyes will help us? Eyes will help us in seeing or looking at something, right? Seeing. Right children? Ears. What about ears then? With the help of ears, we will hear something, listen something, right? We will hear. Nose. With the help of nose, we will smell the thing we will smell the fragrance which is good or bad, right? So, smell. The help of tongue, we will taste the food, right? Taste. Here, skin. With the help of skin, we will feel anything. We will feel. So, you should remind in your mind so that you can understand this lesson very well. Children, sense organs are those which will help us to be aware of the things which will happening around us. Okay. The sense organs are those which will help us in be aware of the things which are happening around us. Okay children. For example, if I see with my eyes, can you see with your ears? No. Even you can see with your eyes. So that we can know that we can say that we are having same number of sense organs and same function of sense organs. There will be same number of sense organs and the function of sense organs will be the same for each and everyone. So, if I close my eyes, if I close my ears, how can I feel the things around me? By closing my eyes and ears. Remaining sense organs will feel the things, right? With the help of touch, with the help of smell, we can feel the things, right? So, how do they happen? Let us see. Okay, children? Here, the sense of touch. Sense of touch. By touching something, we can feel what is that, right? By seeing also, we can say what is that, right? By touching also, we can say. If I close my eyes, how can I say what is that? touching, right? How can you feel it actually? By the sense of touch, we can feel many things. We can feel the texture, appearance of anything. Okay, whether it is soft, smooth, rough, hard, any kind of thing, we can feel it by touching that. How can we actually? Because the sense organ which is involved in touching is skin. Skin is involved in touch, right? That is the sense organ. Actually, the skin is appropriated with a many nerves. It is connected with a many nerves to the brain. So if we touch something, our sense organ will feel it and send a message to our brain with the help of many nerves. The nerves will work as messengers between the brain and our sense organs. For example, children, if you touch a hot ball or something, if you are touching a hot ball, immediately you will take your hand back, right? So yeah, how can you? If you are touching with your hand, how can you take back it again? Because you are feeling that it is very hot. For example, if someone is beating somewhere on your body, if someone is beating here, you may scold them immediately. How can you? If someone is beating here, how your mouth is going to work? How you can able to scold them? Because the sense of touch, we will feel that someone is beating us. Someone is beating us. The nerves which were appropriate, which were attached to our skin, were connected directly to our brain. The brain will read the message that someone is beating you, and it will send a message to your sense organ that scold them. You will instruct that our brain will instruct us to scold them. That's the reason we are scolding them immediately. This process will be done immediately. Okay, children, this is the sense of touch. So there are many things which we should not touch, right? For example, hard balls, knives, scissors, cactus will be poison ivy, sharp blades, many are there. Those things will make us to fall in danger. They will cause injury. They may cause something danger to us. They may injure us. So we should not touch that. So there are in touch also there will be many types. By feeling the touch, we can say that the touch is either good or bad touch. How can you describe it? For example, we will love to be in touch with our mother always, right? We love the touch of our mother, right? We will feel love and warmth in our touch. So we will always love to be in touch with our mother, right? So we will consider her touch as good touch. We are very comfortable with her, right? There are bad touch which makes us uncomfortable. Not all the people touch will be in the same way, so that we can feel their touch as bad touch. So we may not feel comfortable with them. Okay, children, this is the sense of touch. Let us learn about more sense organs tomorrow. Okay, children, let's meet in our next class. Thank you.